Today was not an easy day on the road. Snow on the highway, floodwater on the sides, and heavy wind gusts trying to push my truck like a toy. But this is trucking, and this is how your food reaches your plate. I reached Richland, Washington, where I picked up a load of onions. Fresh produce, straight from the farms, clean, packed, and ready to move Vancouver, BC. People see vegetables in stores, but they don't see this part. They don't see drivers fighting snowstorms, floods, and wind gusts to make sure shelves are never empty. This is the side of the story most people never hear. Here's something many people don't realize. A huge portion of what people in British Columbia eat, apples, onions, potatoes, comes from Washington State. Every time you buy produce in BC, chances are it crossed this border on a truck like mine. Cross-border hauling is not just driving, it's responsibility. Paperwork, inspections, weather, time pressure, all at once. And still, the job has to be done. So next time you see a semi-truck crawling slowly in snow or wind, remember, that truck might be carrying your next meal.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. If you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top.
stop, taking off, and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Snow floods, heavy wind gusts, long hours, but the load made. This is a day in a trucker's life. From Richland, Washington to British Columbia, keeping food moving no matter the weather. If you respect the grind, hit like, subscribe, hanging around, and I'll see you on the next run. Your Punjabi brother. Thank you for watching.